Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm here with another unboxing. I know I've had a lot of these on my channel, but I like to bring to you different companies, different things that are out there, so you guys kind of have an idea. Maybe it's a company you haven't known about, and I like to let you see what comes in their kits before you purchase, just so you have an idea. So that's why I have these unboxings. And so what I have here are some products from Open Journey, and she reached out to me, Ingrid, and asked if I would be interested in reviewing some of her products on my channel, and I said absolutely. Usually what I do is if you own a company, if you're somebody who does devotional or does Bible journaling products or just does faith-based products and you're looking to see if I want to review your products on your channel, definitely reach out to me through email. I have my email listed down below for you guys, and usually all that I ask is I take about a week or so, unless I get sick, like happened this month. But usually I take about a week to review your product, go through the devotional content, make sure it's on par with, you know, my faith and my beliefs and what I want to present here on my channel. And I think that's very important. So I do dive in and look at that, and just spend some time with the product, and so that way I have an idea of how I feel about it. And then I usually ask that no strings attached. If I like it, I will share it. If I don't like it, then that's it. You won't hear about it. So, or if I really don't like it, I'm gonna tell you guys I really don't like it. So that's kind of how that works. So if you're a company out there that's kind of wondering how to get in touch with me, definitely check that out and touch base with me. We can talk about that. But so today we're looking at products from Open Journey. She has a shop, and guys, she has some beautiful artwork. I have kind of peeked in and looked at her stuff in the past. She has lots of digital content, lots of physical content that works for Bible journaling, but also works for like art journaling or card making, or, you know, a whole bunch of different things you could use her products for. So what she did is she sent me some devotional goodies to play with, and so everything was sent in this really cute drawstring bag with this really pretty logo, and all of her stuff, like even her stationery note from her had the really pretty print on it that you see again and again in her products. So I love that. I loved kind of the branding that she has. And so she sent me several devotionals, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is actually a 5th devotional, and everything was really packaged pretty, and I don't know, that's just something that means a lot to me. I don't want to spend more to have nice packaging, but I do like when there is attention to detail. The muslin that it's all wrapped in, you could use this to make fabric clippies, maybe use it for some mixed media collage making and things like that. So use packaging, don't be afraid to use that. So everything came all bundled, super cute. And what she sent me was her devotionals. Now her devotionals you can either get as physical kits that are sent to you, and they are $15.50 if you get them sent to you, or you can buy them as a digital download, and they're $6.50 as a digital download. So if you're somebody who is so obsessed with all the print and pray and all that stuff, but you don't have a good printer, or you don't have the ability to print stuff on your own, then she gives you the option that she prints it all out for you and then sends it to you, which I love. Or if you want, you know, if you're somebody like me that has a printer, has all those supplies, and wants to save a little bit of money, then you can buy the digital content and print it again and again. Of course, that's for private use only. If you are going to be using her products for a class or something like that, I would say definitely get in touch with her and just see what her policy is as far as, you know, printing multiples of one of her files for a class or something like that. So what I have are several of her devotionals, and so they come super cute. I mean, just the attention to detail with all of the packaging is just adorable. So this is the title of the particular devotional is here on a tag, Journey with Confidence, and then everything's kind of paper clipped together, again with another tag that you could use in your Bible journaling or what have you. And then you get a little card, just, you know, with her information on there. And then you get the kit contents. And so what this is it is a devotional kit. So it is a sheet of cardstock with the devotional content on the back here, and I did read through them, and they are really good. They're nice, short, sweet little devotionals. Of course, you could take these and work through them several days or through the whole month if you wanted to, and just keep revisiting it and just kind of seeing if new things come out and pop out at you. She gives you several verses to study and to work with, and then it's on this cardstock here. So you could either cut this apart and use it as tip-ins in your Bible, cut this apart and maybe use this as a tip-in. You've got front and back, or this is sized to fit in a traveler's notebook system. So if you're somebody who's working in traveler's notebooks like this, I have some on my channel where I'm doing my memory keeping, and that kind of thing. You could keep it in this system. And so if you wanted to actually take this and use this as a notebook cover and maybe add some additional blank sheets of paper in here and create a traveler's notebook insert out of this, you could do that, and then maybe work through the devotional in your notebook. You could do that. So you've got that, and then you get all of the goodies. So again, you can either get these as digital content and print them yourself, and then you can pick and choose what medium you want to print on, or she goes ahead and does the work for you. So you've got this little like margin sized tip-in that you can do some journaling on, these really cute daisies. And I have noticed a lot of the artwork you can buy individually as digital downloads also. So she does have a digital download with these daisies and things like that. She has just beautiful, beautiful art. And my understanding is it's all her own painting and her own artwork. I mean, she's so talented. So you've got this sheet with little verse cards that you could cut apart. You could either use these as tip-ins, they're blank on the back, or you could use these to give to somebody or attach in a card, hang on a mirror, put in your car as a reminder. And so these are the verses. Yes, these are the verses that are in the devotional content right here. So you've got that. You got a sheet on cardstock with some tabs that you can punch out, and these should fit the We Are Memory Keepers tab punch. Just by looking at it, I think it would fit there. So you've got several tabs, and then these really pretty flowers that you can cut out, and then this big bold faith and journey. I love this lily. I mean, it is just, her talent is ridiculous. Like seriously, that is so, so pretty. I'm definitely gonna go online and order and grab some of her digital printouts and print these on sticker paper because they are amazing. You've got this sheet on cardstock also, and it is cardstock, but it's not super, super thick. So it's not gonna add tons of bulk to your Bible. So don't worry about that, but it is substantial enough that it's easy to cut out and paste into your Bible. And this piece again has some lilies that you can cut out, and then some circle pieces that you could turn into tabs or use as layering bits. I like this But God First. A lily, this is like a little faux washi strip. The suitcases are super cute. I mean, gosh, if I could paint like her, oh, so beautiful. And then she even includes some pieces that are printed on clear sticker paper. And so you've got the daisies and some of those other elements we've seen throughout the kit, some hexes, some titles and words. This is so beautiful. Ingrid, your talent is just insane. Some faux washi strips, and these are, they look like they're printed on Avery clear label paper. So this isn't, like, you can't tear it, you do have to cut it, but if you kind of wiggle your scissors as you cut it, it'll give you kind of a faux torn edge to it. And so you can see this is kind of that road theme that she has, since we're on a journey with confidence. And then those daisies, and then some crosses. And then here you've got that big, beautiful lily, some hexes. I love this. This is super cute. Be really pretty, like on the corner of a page, all of this cut out. And then some suitcases. So I love that there's like it's a hint of the whole journey theme without being in your face, like obvious. It's still very subtle and pretty. I love that. So there's everything that's included in Journey with Him, right? Journey with Him? Journey with Confidence, sorry. Journey with Confidence. So again, everything comes in there. And like I said, you can either buy it as a digital download for $6.50 and print it all out on your own, or you can purchase it as a physical kit for $15.50, and she prints everything for you and sends it to you. So that is great for all of you who keep saying that you don't have a printer, don't have access to doing that. This is a great option. Here is Keep Your Eyes on Me. Again, the format's gonna be very similar. So you've got tags that you can use, card with her information. Everything's in this cute little muslin pocket, and paper clipped together. And again, traveler's notebook size, so you can use this to create a notebook insert with, or cut it apart and use it however you want. So here is your devotional content and just remaining focused on Jesus and how important that is. Love that. Several verses for you to work through in the kit. I am gonna have so much fun making little inserts out of these. I think they're so cute. Okay, and so then we've got, again, a little margin size like tip-in with her artwork. And then this on the background, super cute. Your verse cards, so again, you could cut these apart. Piece of cardstock with your tabs and florals. Keep your eyes on me. I love that, so pretty. Here's another verse card, and then the florals and circles, and these like painted flowers. Almost looks like it's like stamped on a painted background. Very like mixed media feel to it. And then several pieces printed on clear label paper. So you've got this one here that could be a washi strip, a little like smaller washi strip. So that is really cute, little border pieces. And then here are some like textures, this big bold title, and then her florals there. These would be fun to layer like splashes of watercolor underneath and then cut these out and layer it over the top. I've done that several times on my channel. That's a fun way to add color to pieces like this on clear label paper. And this big bold piece here, so pretty. So there is Keep Your Eyes on Me. So there is all of that. This is Purpose. Oh, that is so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so in that little notebook there, oh, big, bright, bold florals on this one. And her print quality is awesome, guys. Like, it's initially when you look at this, it looks like this is the original. It's that like vibrant, and it even just has like little like flecks of detail, but it's not. I mean, it's printed, but it is so pretty. So here you've got this piece would be a fun one to cut out and use as tip-ins or cut shapes out of. And then the devotional content here. This is a very interesting one here about, she's talking about like items lined up and purpose and numbers, and like this whole focus is on purpose, but it was a very interesting devotional, very interesting take, so I liked that. You've got your verse cards, really bright and pretty, tabs, and then these big watercolored greenery pieces, and then some florals. I have called you by name, you are mine. Some circles and florals, so pretty. You've got that margin piece. I wouldn't even know what side to use. So like I would use washi as a hinge, and then attach it in. And you could use even this, cut this as washi and use that as the washi to hinge it, and do your journaling on there. So pretty. And then you've got your clear labels. So here are your faux washi strips. And they just have so much detail. I don't know, it's so cute. Look at these, guys. These are gonna just meld into your pages and look like you painted them on your page. So, so gorgeous. Your works are, oh, so these are kind of like word fetty that you could cut out. I love this sketched like anatomical heart. That's cool. And then florals. So pretty. Okay, so there's all of everything for Purpose. Excuse me. And then Total Trust. Try not to mix all these up because I am gonna want to work with them and play with them. And you can see they all have a very different like feel and vibe. Look how gorgeous. I mean, can I say that? How many times can I say that? And like I said, she's got printables in like washis and different things that you can buy just the graphics also. So Total Trust, so all about trusting God. Tons of verses, references in here. Love that. And then you've got your margin piece here. I'm living for this like ivory cream and grays and blacks. So amazing. And then here's your clear stickers. You've got your faux washis with all the little crosses, little art marks. the typewriter trust, super cute. And then Jesus, I trust in you, love that. She just has such a unique style that we have not seen from any of the other companies. I don't know, it's just so uniquely her. Love that. Love the soft tones of color in there. Here are your verse cards. Oh, this one's Trust in God Always with this fun like mixed media, and then Proverbs 3:5-6, 2 Corinthians 12:9. You've got your tabs, this big bold piece here, some more faux washi on cardstock if you prefer that. And then this one here with your circles, and then some florals, some titles. I love this one. How pretty is that? Oh, amazing. Okay, so those are the devotionals, and then this one is technically a devotional kit too, but it's just a little bit different. So this one comes not with the folded up page. Your devotional is kind of on its own here, all about Psalm 51. So this one is a little bit different. So you've got some pieces that you can use as tip-ins and do all of your journaling. So there's plenty of room for reflection on the devotional content, which I really prefer. Having, like, I want to dig in and interact with the devotional content. And I mean, I like having a pretty page, but it's nice to kind of be prompted to really write some things down and take some notes. And so this one is a little bit smaller. I didn't look at the price point on this one. I imagine it's a little bit lower because it doesn't come with quite as much. So these are clear labels, clear stickers. Look at this big heart piece. How awesome is that? That is so cool. I have in one of my past Bibles, I did an anatomical heart with some like watercolor splashes. One of my favorite pages I've ever done, and my kids were so grossed out. Every time they see it, they're so grossed out, but I just love it. I studied in the medical field for many, many years before I decided to do this, and so I don't know, I love that. And then you've got the lilies like we've seen in that other kit. Let's see, this one here, you've got Psalm 51:10, a clean heart, oh God, create in me a clean heart. Oh God, I love that. So some fun pieces, and then some like art marks and swashes and flowers, tab. To use a clear tab like this, what I would do is I would cut this out and then put it on cardstock. So you could even use, you know, your remnant where you cut it out or whatever, and then cut it out, and that will give it some stability. And look how pretty this floral little washi strip is there. So, and then you've got some little typed out pieces. I love these because as you work through the verses, you could have this just a part of your entry. So as you flip through your Bible, you would know that, you know, anywhere this shows up is where you've worked through this devotional content. So there is that one, that's Psalm 51. And she has tons more stuff. She has verse cards over there, all kinds of digital content and artwork and just beautiful stuff. So definitely check her out. I'll have those linked down below for you. I will try to link each individual kit with their physical kit and downloadable kit, so it's easy for you guys to navigate from my description box, or you can just head on over and kind of explore her shop. But thank you so much, Ingrid, for sending these to me. So beautiful. I just love your heart, and your talent is just amazing. So if you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. If you like these videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.